Hello everyone and welcome all. In our today's discussion for international relations, we will be discussing SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Shanghai Cooperation Organization, let's start with a brief introduction of SCO. So its creation was announced on 15 June 2001. It is an permanent intergovernmental international organization and the states concerned here are Republic of Kazakhstan, the People's Republic of China, the Kyrgyz Republic, that's the Kyrgyzstan, the Russian Federation, the Republic of Tajikistan, and the Republic of Uzbekistan. It was preceded by Shanghai Five mechanism. So let's first understand what is Shanghai Five mechanism. So Shanghai Five was formed on April 1990, 26 April 1996. States then there were China, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, and Tajikistan. So here you won't find Uzbekistan. So these five countries, as such, were named together as Shanghai Five. And when Uzbekistan was included in it, SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization, as such, was formed on June 15, 2001 in Shanghai, China. And its charter was signed during St. Petersburg meetings of head of the state in June 2002, and this has came into force in 19 September 2003. This is the fundamental statutory document which outlines the organization goals and principles and as well as the structure and its core activities, the activities that is undertaken by Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So not moving away from the core idea of Shanghai Five, Shanghai Cooperation Organization also pursues its internal policy, which is based on principles of mutual trust, mutual benefit, equality among all, mutual consultations, and respect for cultural diversity. Also, desire for common development and external policy is conducted in accordance with the principles of non-alignment and non-targeting any third country and openness. These have been the spirit or the soul of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Here you can see its main objectives as a strengthening of mutual trust and feeling of neighborliness among member states. Second, promotion of effective cooperation in politics, trade, economy, research, technology, culture, and the same cooperation is expected in education, energy, transport, tourism, environmental protection, and other areas also. They make joint efforts to maintain and ensure peace, security, and stability in the region as one of their objectives. They also aiming for moving towards the establishment of a democratic, fair, and rational new international political and economic order. So these have been their chief goals or objectives, you can say. Now come to the structure. So head of state council, that is the decision making body in Shanghai Cooperation Organization. It meets once a year and it adopts decisions and guidelines on all important matters of the organization. That means all important matters concerned to the organization are discussed and decided here only. The SEO head of government council that also meets once a year to discuss organizations' multilateral cooperation strategies and priority areas and to resolve current important economic and other cooperation issues if there are and also to approve the organization's annual budget. So you have to remember it that the budget of the organization, the annual budget is finalized or approved here by the head of government council. Now coming to the languages, so there are a number of countries as permanent observer states, but the official languages here are Russian and Chinese. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization Secretariat and the Executive Committee of Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. These are the two important and permanent bodies of SCO. One is based in Tashkent and other is based in Beijing. The Secretary General and the Director of the Executive Committee of the SCO RACS, that's the Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. These are appointed by Council of Head of State for a term of 3 years. There are 8 member states, as you can see. They are the Republic of India, Republic of Kazakhstan, People's Republic of China, the Kyrgyz Republic, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the Russian Federation, the Republic of Kazakhstan, and the Republic of Uzbekistan. Here you see the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, Republic of Belarus, the Islamic Republic of Iran, and the Republic of Mongolia as the 4 observer states of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. It has dialogue partners also, so there are 6 in number. Here you can see them: the Republic of Azerbaijan, the Republic of Armenia, the Kingdom of Cambodia, the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal, the Republic of Turkey, and the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. So these are the 6 dialogue partners of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Now we know all the permanent members of the SCO, the observer states or the observer countries, and the dialogue partners of the SCO. Now let's take up the multiple choice question part. Question 1 for today is: RATS was formed in the year. So it's the Regional Anti-Terrorism Structure, one of the permanent body of the SCO. It was formed in the year 2004, and it is a very efficient organ of SCO and is engaged in furthering cooperation among member states against issues of terrorism, security, drug trafficking, and cyber warfare. Second is, when did India become member of SCO? So as we all know that the meeting that held in Astana in the year 2017 on 8th and 9th June, where the head of state of council of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization met, and in that meeting only the full membership of the organization was granted to India, and along with India, Pakistan was also included as its full-fledged member. The next is, which among the following is or are the language or languages of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? So as we have just discussed it, there are permanent members and observer members of SCOs, but the official languages of the organization is Chinese and Russian. Next is, which among the following are observer states of SCO? So all of the above is the correct answer here. It counts for 4 observer states. They are the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, Republic of Belarus, the Islamic Republic of Iran, and the Republic of Mongolia. So all states here correct as observer states. So now comes the next and the last question for today's discussion, that is the SCO Secretariat is in. So it is in Beijing and is the main permanent executive body of the organization. This secretariat is headed by Secretary General, and the SCO Secretariat also coordinates the activity of the organization and provides informational, analytical, legal and organizational or technical support. Thank you.